Welcome to the update, the paddleboard, the 30th of January 2021. Starting with a little gluing, actually a lot of gluing, one strip at a time. A little gluey, followed by a little smeary with the finger, spraying a little water. Activates this polyurethane glue, makes it stick good. A little clampy. With my plywood tabs to hold everything down in place. Speed this up again. I just realized this is pretty boring to watch. Throw some bungee cords on to bring it all into line. Make sure we get a good contact, not too much pressure. Just enough to hold everything in place. Bungee. And then a little clapping and a happy dance at the end. And that's the update of the paddleboard.